Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can reinvest dividends on Trading 212 application. Now, first of all, before you begin, it's very important for you to know that automatic dividends reinvestment is only available for the investments that are held inside a pie. If you own a stock or the ETF outside of that pie, any of the dividends that you receive will simply be added to your free funds and won't be reinvested automatically. So you need to simply open your Trading 212 app. Over here, you just have to tap on the spy icon. Now over here, you just have to simply just tap on the option of your pie, and here you are going to see the overview. When you scroll down a bit, you will also be able to see the option of auto invest. So over here, you just have to tap on the option of auto invest, and this way you will be able to reinvest into that particular pie. So you need to make sure that it auto invest option is turned on. This setting is usually enabled by default for the new pies, but it is worth checking if you have turned it off before. So let's say you own the shares of Coca-Cola inside your pie and you receive a 5 pound dividend. So Trading 212 doesn't necessarily reinvest it immediately. The dividend is first added to your pie cash, and once the cash reaches to the required investment threshold or the next auto invest event occurs, Trading 212 will automatically invest that money according to your pie's target allocation. If your stock or the ETF isn't inside a pie, there is no DRIP option. After receiving a dividend in the free funds, simply search for the stock or the ETF, and then you need to separately tap on the option of buy and use that amount in order to basically get into it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.